So we've been working hard on this new wave sign, and it started off with no frame at all. And then we decided to take a maple frame so it add a little contrast to the walnut. And after walking in here day after day looking at it, I decided I didn't like the way that looked. So basically, I took a torch out and we started burning it to give it a cool effect. But that didn't work either. So I think it completely looks like a piece of shit. And we're gonna strip it off. And we're gonna put some walnut on there with some sapwood. That was very pretty.
All right, so today we are headed to a golf outing. It's a golf outing to raise money for veterans, but unfortunately, it's about 5:50 in the morning, and it's raining again, just like last weekend. So, not barbecue this time, golf.
What's up there, gentlemen? How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? We are playing golf today. Good charity for Beyond the Battle, right? .org.
Absolutely.
For a good cause and helping people with PTSD, and we're glad to be here.
Go USA.
All right, we're sitting 3 under right now.
3 under.
3 under after how many?
Wow.
holes? After
Guys
5?
in front of us are shooters. They're 3 under. So
They're
we
3
got a
under?
chance.
Yeah, so we got a chance, right? Yeah.
Absolutely.
Let's go. Get it. Yeah! Yeah, bro. Nice plot. Run! Oh, man.
That's good.
All right, fellas, so we're all done with the sign for New Wave. We gotta get started on their table. I know we're working on all this stuff right now. We're gonna have to put it on hold. We're gonna make that table out of walnut. We're gonna do epoxy. We already got the color lined up. And we'll just try to make the tight deadline. That's what it always is around here.
hey, hey.